Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. Today we are making some baked jerk oxtails. Let's get into it.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on a violin. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up deep in this heat touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So I come close, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it back on nothing. I'll take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it back on nothing. I'll take you there.
Alright, we got our bag of wings there that I'm about to clean and season up. Got our oxtails. Okay. We got our fish here, some porgies. And then we got our shrimp in the bag here. Oh yes. Make sure you go ahead and trim off the fat off your oxtails. Now let's get them washed up and soaked in some lemon juice and vinegar for a little bit. Be right back. Alright guys. So here is all the seasonings we will be using for our jerk oxtails, okay? So get into it. Alright. And the star of the show is our Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, the mild, okay? I might not use the red pepper flakes because this is hot enough along with the jerk dry seasoning. So let's get into it. Okay guys, I decided not to brown them because my oven is going to do it for me. Okay, so you have it seasoned well. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply our veggies. We're going to use some green pepper, red pepper, onions, and all that good stuff. Okay. Alright, we got our veggies in there. So now we're going to pour some beef broth in there and put it in the oven, covered with some aluminum foil for 350 degrees, y'all. So I got some beef stock here. And we're just going to, not too much because it's going to make its own juices, guys. So we don't need that much. Alright. Alright, so I'm just going to mix it up a little bit, get these seasonings flowing, and get our veggies mixed in. Okay? We want our seasoning to be in there, especially that jerk, the wet jerk. So I want to mix that well in here. I apologize. Sorry for the camera. Started going about his business, baby. So I'm gonna get this mixed up and I'll be back, okay? After we get it mixed in here really well. Okay? See how it's starting to coat? That's what we want. Coat all the meat with all the goodness in the bottom of this pan. Woohoo! Alright, let's cover it up and get it in the oven. I'll see y'all later. Got our turkey necks in there with our seasonings and veggies. Gotta shred them turkey necks. Okay guys, I took the aluminum foil off. We are going to stir it up, then remove the foil and put it back in there for about 20 to 30 more minutes. Oh yes, these oxtails are smelling delicious. Potatoes are ready for the potato salads. Yes. I finally pulled my gadgets out. Look, no more cutting up for me. So I need some of these veggies diced up for several things. I'm working on my potato salad. So I pulled out my gadget. I have like 3 of these, what do you call them, medallions or something like that? Yeah, I believe that's what it's called. And I pulled it out and I said, girl, we ain't doing that. Let's get it. Everything going in one. Snap like that. And since all this is going in one, might as well just do it over, right? Easy cleanup. Don't have to worry about nothing. Take that off. And voila. You got all your stuff in here. And it's all diced up. Baby. We ain't playing around in this kitchen. Okay? Everything is diced up. Alright. Boom. Alright. So, I'll be back. Cornbread. Big macaroni and cheese ready. The corgis are seasoned. Let's fry them up. Guys, my girls got me in here being Betty Crocker today, okay? So I'm about to make strawberry shortcake. So these are all the ingredients you're going to need to whip together this delicious strawberry shortcake. I might record it, I might not, but it's busy up in hot, okay? Girl been burning the midnight hours, cooking for Thanksgiving. All right, y'all, let me get back to it. Using that Be-Less Macalicious sauce, the spicy, on the shrimp. We're gonna put this in the oven with some butter and garlic. All right. Tails are ready. Oh yes, guys, we ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, so I couldn't fit everything on the table, but here we go. And then got the tails back there, like stuffing, all of that stuff. All right, time to eat later. Thanks for watching.